Look at. Oh, where is this beautiful place? Yes, it's a farm. Have a barn, have a truck, and they are farmers. Son los granjeros. Excellent. In the farm, we can find so many animals and the farmers too. Look at. The farmer's wife is collecting the eggs. Look at the eggs. Yes, who give us the eggs? Yes, Mrs. Hen is give us the eggs. Excellent. Now, who give us the milk? Yes, the cow give us the milk, and the farmer is milking her. Look at. Right? The farmer is milking the cow. Forget the milk. Excellent. Now, look at the farmer's daughter. What is she doing? Yeah, she is cutting the sheep's wool. That is this. Remember, the sheep give us wool. Excellent. And also we have where these. Yes, these are fruits. The tree give us fruits. Look at fruits here, fruits on the floor. Yay! Excellent work. Now we are going to see which more animals we can find on the farm. The other animals that we can find are the ducks that are swimming on the lake. And also we can find the horse. Neigh, neigh. Look at. So, in this farm we can see horses. What is the horse sound? Remember? Neigh, neigh. What is the sheep sound? Bah, bah. What is the cow sound? Moo. What is the hen sound? Pop, 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 pop. And what is the duck sound? Quack, 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 quack. Good job. So, these are some animals that we can find on the farm. And remember that the cow give us milk. The sheep meh, meh, give us wool. The tree give us fruits, right? And of course, The hen Mrs. Hen give us eggs. Excellent! Now we're going to do an activity related with the products that we can get from the animals. Okay, now we are going to see this activity. Look, in this line we have the products that we can get from the animals or plants. In these ones we have the animals or plants. So let's check the name of each one. What is? Where is? Eggs. Excellent. These are eggs. What are these? Fruits. Good job. These are fruits. What is this? It's milk. Milk. And what is this? It's wool. Good job. Now, which are these animals or the plant? It is a sheep. A sheep. It is a cow. It is a hen, and it is a tree. Good job. Now we are going to match this picture with these pictures. What is match? Match, teacher. Match is relate the elements that we have here. For example, who give me the eggs? The sheep? No, I can't put them together because the sheep doesn't give me the eggs. Maybe the tree? No, it isn't. I know. The hen. Yes, it is. So we are going to put on together the eggs with the hen. Good job. Remember, be careful here. Look at carefully because this activity you are going to do in our homework, okay? So, what are these? Fruits. Who give me the fruits? Sheep? Cow? Hen? No. Or tree? Yay! The tree give me the fruits. I get from the tree the fruits, yes. Now, who give me the milk? The sheep or the cow? Of course, the cow, teacher. Yes, the cow. Good job. The cow give me the milk. Now, who give me the wool? Yeah! The sheep give me the wool. So, in this way, we can match the elements that I can get from the animals and the animals that get them. So, that's all for today, and see you in the next class. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I hope that you
have fun with the class. See you in the next class. Remember to do the activity that the teacher said. See you later, alligator. Bye bye. Gracias por participar en la clase. Espero que te hayas divertido. Nos vemos pronto.